Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever encountered the frustrating can't open file message on your Android device, you're not alone. Today we're diving deep into how to solve this issue, ensuring your files open smoothly every time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand why this happens. This problem can occur for a variety of reasons, from not having the right app to open the file to a corrupted download. But don't worry, we've got you covered with several methods to fix this. Method 1. Check files compatibility. Make sure the type is supported by your device. If you're trying to open a docs file, for example, ensure you have an app that can open Word documents. If the file might be corrupted, try re-downloading it from the source or transferring it again if it came from another device. Sometimes a simple re-download does the trick. Method 3 involves clearing the cache of the app you're trying to use to open the file. Just go to the settings, then apps, select the specific app and tap on clear cache. This can solve a surprising number of issues. Method 4. Always keep your apps updated. An outdated app might lack the features needed to open newer file types. Head over to the Google Play Store and make sure all your apps are up to date. Lastly, utilize a File Manager app to better understand and manage your files. With these tips, you should be able to tackle the can't open file problem on your Android device like a pro. Remember, always ensure your device's software and your apps are up to date to avoid such issues. Thanks for watching our channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might face the same issue and subscribe for more helpful guides.